Hi guys, and welcome back to another ACTY video. In my last video, I installed power locks. Definitely a modern feature I've taken for granted in the past, but it's awesome that I have it in the truck now. I'm really happy with it. One of you guys commented on the video and asked for a more in-depth demonstration of the power locks. So that's what I'm gonna do today. But before we do that, we've got to restore our door cards because right now they look like crap. We're gonna give them a fresh coat of vinyl paint and hopefully they're gonna look brand new when we're finished. So, let's get started. Make sure we wear our respirator. So I'm gonna mask off this gasket because I don't want that to get damaged. So we'll let that sit for a little bit and do another coat. It's looking good, but some of the spray pattern is kind of weird. It comes out like, if you can see that, like little like specks, it shoots out, and as opposed to like an even spray pattern. So I'll have to be careful with that. But it's already looking much better than before, so I'm happy with that. So, while that is drying, I'll make myself useful and scrape some of the crud off of the door. Okay, so I just finished the door cards. For some reason, this one, the second one I did, turned out way better than the first, so I might do another coat on that one, but I'm gonna get started on the door handles and pieces, and then see how much paint I have left after that. Next, I'll hit the handles inside the door, so check a look before and after. Now, it's time for reassembly. I added a bit of fabric I had left over from a project onto the door card, and I just adhered it with some Gorilla Spray adhesive. There.
Ooh, there you go. The elbow method didn't
Bottle
work.
driver! I don't know. Doesn't want to seal it. It's up there.
Oh!
Shit!
Nice.
A little bit of 1, 2. Okay.
Ooh.
First piece is back in.
Look at that. Brand spanking new door.
The spring clip has to go back in. Everything like that. Okay guys, with that is another project down. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. There's so many things I want to do on this truck and so little time. Overall, I'm happy with how the door cards turned out. it looks so much better than they did before. Like if you look at the before versus the after, it's actually insane. Like the before, they were basically like white. So now they look so much better, and I'm really happy with that. As promised, let's take a look at those power locks in action. So let's see it. And it works from pretty far away too. Also, shout out to my girlfriend for getting me this ACTY shirt. So I'd say this was another successful project in the books. It's actually kind of crazy what just a little bit of paint and a little bit of material can do. Just breathe a whole new life into something that, you know, takes up a significant portion of the interior. So I'm really happy I was able to get that done. There is a lot more to get done on the truck, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and follow along with the journey. Well, I guess that'll be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.